My name is Kevin Neary and I'm a Director of DNDLAW Solicitors. I'd like today to give you some advice as to what are things you should consider when you are buying an apartment. Buying apartments have particular issues which arise and which you should give consideration to before putting down an offer and agreeing to buy. You need to take into account the fact that an apartment is a different sort of conveyancing transaction from buying a house. Apartments are leasehold properties, and in effect, you own a box of air within a managed development. The developer and then the management company own the freehold of the development and own the fabric of the building itself. Given that you live in such close proximity to your neighbours, an apartment lease, which is the legal document under which you hold your property, has numerous covenants restricting what you can do. You're not allowed to do many things that you think that you would be entitled to do if you owned a house. There are rules to govern where you can park, when you can park, what you can do with bicycles, what you do as regards advertising, putting notices outside your house, storage of goods outside your property. None of the areas in the common areas of the development belong to you, and you have to observe the management rules for the development. It is vital when you look at a pre-owned apartment that you give consideration to the nature and quality of the management company that is undertaking the development. In any apartment development, your future enjoyment of the apartment is dependent to a very large degree on the quality of the managing agent and how the property is managed. You should pay attention to the service charge which is charged, whether the management company meets regularly, whether it has good management accounts, and look at the minutes of the previous management meetings to see the degree to which your neighbours take a keen interest in managing the development. It is fair to say that if a development looks badly managed, then it usually is badly managed, and that is unlikely to improve in the short term unless you believe that you can turn that ship around yourself. What you should be concerned to ensure is that you, in entering into an arrangement to buy an apartment, get into an apartment development that is well managed and which will preserve value for you in the future. If there are not appropriate management arrangements now, these are unlikely to happen in the near future. And so, perhaps, if you haven't found an apartment that you think is sufficiently well managed, you should keep looking.